Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to continue to look at the AQA English Literature A2 paper, and we're thinking about how you can achieve 4 marks for section B of paper 1. We've already gone through the mark scheme and began to consider the question in some more detail, but let's look at how we plan and write a response then. So here's a question. It is said that many of the great war poets create an unpatriotic tone. Compare and contrast the poems by Asquith and Pope in light of this comment. So this is an example, not necessarily taken from your exam specifications and your key texts, but the method you will be using is exactly the same. So how do we write our response? Well, obviously for our introduction we need to consider where you stand on your argument. Can you introduce a more subtle line of thought? What features we also include? So does this essay provide a structure or focus? When we're writing a response ourselves, we need to be thinking about three main points. We're looking to is essentially, you've been used to a similar kind of structure of PEE. We make our points to each point is going to be a building upon the argument created in your introduction. You're going to explore your first text and analyze that in some perceptive depth. You can either make your linking comparison phrase, or you can then just explore text 1 and then make the comparisons with text 2 as you go. But you want to be repeating that process in due course. Then, obviously from our conclusion, let's go back to the original question and argument and discuss how your essay has helped to develop an insight and reaffirm that notion. Consider what ideas you have not exhausted and which you can explore more, and create a summative conclusion, a final comment. So could we consider what you believe to be the most impactful point from your essay, what you believe to be overridingly more important, or even which you consider to be more effective in terms of the focus of the question, because that is part of your AO1 and that is part of your argument. So thank you very much. Now that we've done that, we need to be thinking about how an answer actually looks. So make sure you look at our next video to check that out.